We are studying 6th class and today our topic is water level indicator. Water level indicator employs a simple mechanism to indicate the water level in an oven, a tank or another water containers.
The sensing used by drops on 4 lights on the tank wall.
With probe 4 to probe 1 placed in increasing order of height, common probe that is supply carrying probe 1 is placed at the bottom of the tank.
The fourth level represents full tank condition while full tank empty tank condition.
Let us see how it works.